Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahad. My major is Nautika level 1.
Excuse me, could you tell me what the library is?
There is one library.
Don't you know what time it opens?
Its opens at 8000.
Oh, good. And can you tell me how of the learning English in a week?
You not checking the time it is here.
Okay, and just on more thing, do you know where the room is?
Right, behind you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Excuse me, could you tell me where the library is?
There is one upstairs.
Do you know what time opens?
It's all open now. It open is at 8:00.
Oh, good. And can you tell me how often we are English in week?
You need to check the timetable. It is out there.
Okay, and just more this. Do you know where dance room is?
Bring with you.
Thanks.